You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this famous park attraction in Singapore. If you want to learn more names of famous places around there and dishes from Singapore that are very popular, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced, yes, roll the drums, Merlion. Yes, it comes from mermaid and lion. Have you seen that it's got the tail of a fish or a mermaid and the head of a lion? Merlion. Yes, too many people say Merlion Park. No, Merlion statue or Merlion Park in Singapore. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.